Good morning, guys. So this is Africa, to be specific, Nairobi in the morning, and as you can see, that's the sunrise out there. That's the beautiful sunrise here in Nairobi. So where I live, you can see a very nice view of all round. You see? Wow, everything looks nice. And actually, really, and I believe that God is an artist. Look, just look. Let me zoom for you. Look, just look. Those mountains over there. That's Nairobi for you. Nairobi in the morning. Guys, thank you for watching this video until this point. I appreciate. Please subscribe if you find it entertaining and enjoy. If you look down there, there is corn. This is corn and some banana plantation. So here in Nairobi, some places people haven't built, so they plant corn, and because the weather is favorable, they really do well. You can see, almost ready for harvest, a bumper harvest. And there is banana over there, and children going to school, people going about their days. So basically, this is just Nairobi. Sorry for the finger that has crossed over the camera. So as I was saying, some people do farming here in Nairobi, as you can see down there. And those are people going about their days, and motorbikes everywhere like always. Yeah. And people are constructing. Some people won't believe that I'm in Nairobi, but I am in Nairobi. This is the beautiful city of Nairobi. Guys, are you seeing what I'm seeing? Look at the skies. Wow. Look at the skies. Look at the skies, guys. Look at the beautiful skies. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Just look. Look at the mountains. Look at the mountains. I wish I had a good phone that can zoom these things very well. Look at the skies. Oh my God. It's amazing. Nature is amazing. Nature is amazing. And these are the houses that people live. These are the houses that people live in. So in Kenya, this is how people hang their clothes, and these are the hanging lines, as you can see. And those are water tanks for the residents or the tenants. Yeah. So this is the view from my place. If you want, I can get you a house here. Yeah, this is Kasarani in Nairobi. But we are at the border of Nairobi and Kiambu County. So we have 47 counties in Kenya, and this is county number 47, which is Nairobi, and we have Kiambu over there. You can see Kiambu. You see where these trees are? This is the boundary between Nairobi and Kiambu. And over there, and you see those trees, there's a super highway. Thika super highway is somewhere here. You see here, somewhere here. Here there's a super highway. So basically, today I just wanted to show you how my morning looks like here in Nairobi. Yeah, just a quick morning tour. Yeah. But from tomorrow, I'll show you how my day starts. But for today, I just wanted to show you how my morning begins. As you can see, that's the sunrise. And be sure, I'll give you the sunset. I'll upload a video and show you how I enjoy my sunset over here. And it seems today Nairobi will be sunny. It has been raining every day, even to yesterday night. It really rained so much. So I hope today we'll have a good day, a sunny day, because I can see it's a sunny morning. Yeah, and everything will be fine. Thank you for watching until this point. Continue enjoying the views of Nairobi. So this is my area, this is where we live. These are the houses around here. Yeah, hope you're enjoying the video until this point. I'm just taking you for a morning walk, a simple morning walk. Hope you're enjoying the video. Please subscribe, scan the QR code to buy me a soda. The QR, the QR code is on the screen. Please scan it if you want to support my YouTube channel. Just scan the QR code. Thank you. So this is how people live here. This place is a cool place, so there's not many people, but people dump everywhere. You see, this is the problems of Kenyans now. They dump everywhere, and I hate it. I wish I was in government. Please give the video like as we continue enjoying. There's a child who wants to be waiting for a school bus or a school van. You see, some of the houses look good over here, and I think I like it. So this is just a morning routine, a simple morning walk, taking around my estate to show you where I come from. So this is where I live for now. For now, yes, this is my area. I'm just taking you around. The roads, when it rains, it pours. Let me know, would you like to live in such a place? Let me know in the comment section. This is clean water. You see this? It's flowing here. That is very clean water. You can see the tall buildings over here. Very tall. This is the corner. And actually living here feels like living in the village, because people grow corns, people grow vegetables. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like the video. Thank you.